So continuing our lesson on difference of squares, we see example 6, where we have a negative 9x squared plus 100. So we can actually rewrite this as 100 minus 9x squared, and then the difference of squares still applies. So we can write 100 as 10 squared, and then 9x squared, we can rewrite it as 3x to the power of 2. So factoring these out, we have 10 minus 3x and 10 plus 3x. Now we also have what we would call the sum and difference of cubes. Now when we're adding two things in the form of a to a cubed plus b cubed, we would write the factors as a plus b, and then a squared minus ab plus b squared. And when we have a difference of cubes, we would write it as a minus b, and then a squared plus ab plus b squared. And so looking at this, we see here x cubed plus 64. So if we rewrite this in the form of x of a cubed minus b cubed, or a cubed plus b cubed, write this as x to the power of 3. And 64 can be written as 4 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3 is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. And if it's easier, we can write a is equal to x, b is equal to 4. So if we write this, we have a plus b, so x plus 4. And then we have a squared, so that's x to the power of 2. And ab together, which is 4x. And then b squared, which is 4 squared. So 4 squared, which would be equal to 16. And that's our factored answer. Now it works the same way with the difference of cubes. We rewrite this as x to the power of 3, and then 5 to the power of 3. So a is equal to x, b is equal to 5. So our rule here is a minus b. So this is x minus 5. And then x squared. Let me just write it here really fast. A minus b. And then it should be a squared plus ab plus b squared. So ab together, that's 5x. And then b squared is 5 squared, which is 25. And finally, we have another difference. We have another sum of cubes here, which is a plus b. And we have a squared minus ab plus b squared. So if we rewrite 27y cubed as a power of 3, we would say that that's 3y to the power of 3. And then we can write 1 as 1 to the power of 3, because 1 times 1 times 1, it's still 1. So a is equal to 3y, b is equal to 1. So we're going to have a plus b, which is 3y plus 1, a squared, which is 9y squared, ab, which is 3y times 1, which is just 3y, and b squared, which is 1 squared, equal to